kusasa is D-Day. Kusasa is the day for Julius. 15 April 2026. Uyabona le date le angeke asayikhohlwa empilweni yakhe. Ngoba kuzothathwa isinqumo esingashintsha impilo yakhe. Inkantolo yase Eastern Cape seyithathe isinqumo. Manje kusasa kena uJulius uzwazi nathi sazi ukuthi kuzoyenzakalani ngaye. Kodwa into engiyifundile ukuthi if bazomnikeza more than 12 months, if uzohlala more than 12 months eDanyani, if angakhokhi ifine, kuthiwa hayi phela makaphuma automatically uzabe disqualified from serving in the National Assembly. Potentially kungaphela icareer yakhe if isinqumo sakusasa isinqumo sakusasa sithi hayi wena uzoya eDanyani for 13 months and above kungena fine, kuphelile ngaye. So siyazi ukuthi hey iqala lakhe ukuthi ngo-2018 uye wadubula ngesibhamu phezulu during i-birthday ye-party yakhe which is EFF khona laphayana eMdantsane e-Eastern Cape. Kanti lento le yena bekayenza out of hey siyayijabulisa kumnandi, kanti hayi izoba namakwensenkwensese. Njengoba ke kusasa sesilindile ukuzwa ukuthi kuzoyenzakalani ngaye uJuju Bandla. Oh Nkosi yami Juju, oh Bandla, oh hey angazi nina nicabangani guysini? Niyacabanga nje ukuthi because of akabulalanga muntu. Meanwhile, uJulius Malema uliwinile icala against uMusa Khawula. Angithi sibonile not so long ago laphayana uMusa Khawula uye wabhala kwi-X, right, indaba yakhona ize ya trenda lapho bekakhuluma ngokuthi hayibo phela uJulius Malema makatshele abantu ukuthi yena nomfazi wakhe abasazwane futhi baplana nokuhlukana. Hayi ke wangagcini lapho kulelo viki nje wayebhizi nje uMusa Khawula wachubeka wathi hey uJulius phela uye wangi-offerisha imali yokuthi ngithule, so mina ngimtshela ukuthi makawongeze leyo mali leyo ithi xaxa. Oh my goodness. So hayi ke uJulius Malema wabona kahle ukuthi hayi yazi lo kuyomela ukuthi ngihambe ngiyomvulela icala. Hayi ke wamvulela icala kanjalo kena. So njengoba namhlanje inkantolo izothatha isinqumo esithi Musa Khawula sikunikeza 24 hours ukuthi uretracte istatement sakho osenzile ngoJulius Malema, uphinde futhi uxolise kuJulius Malema kanye nomfazi wakhe uMantwa. Awugcini lapho wena Musa Khawula uzokhokhela indleko zonke, uzokhokha ukhokhe hayi kancane. Musa my guy, Musa. So knowing uMusa Khawula, like uMusa every 30 minutes uyaposta manje ngiyazibuza ukuthi okay fine, nalokhu uzokuposta uzotshela abantu ukuthi hayi phela uJulius Malema uliwinile icala against mina as uMusa Khawula. Hayi ke sizolinda abafazi sibone ukuthi hayi uMusa Khawula okwangempela uzoyenza leyo apology leyo futhi a retract ne statement sakhe. Siloko nje silindile. Guys, if it is your first time, you know what to do. You hit the subscription button and the notification bell for the next influencer, celebrity, musician, content creator, when everything update. And please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, guys. Please give it a thumbs up and go into the comment section and do tell me what do you think about everything else that is happening on the live of Julius Malema. Firstly, he won against Musa Khawula today, but tomorrow we get to find out ukuthi what's gonna be his fate.